Hi everyone, it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get into Pat McGrath's Mothership V5. Yes, V means 5. Just wanted to use some of my favorite shades. Let's get into it. We're going to use this one, this red one, and the one right next to it, the white kind of gold shimmery shade. Here, whoop, that one, this brown one right here. And I'm going to use my palette for the mirror. Oh man. I just love barely digging into these shades and getting such payoff on my lid like instantaneously. It's just so amazing. So I'm using a Wayne Goss number 4 for my crease. If you have a darker skin tone or a medium skin tone, I would also consider using the darker brown in my crease on top of this. Just boom! Look at that. I love that. You know, some people find these shades, well, Pat McGrath's shades in general, eyeshadows, to be hard to blend out because they're so pigmented. And what I really think it is perhaps people are putting on these colors too thick at first, and then once they go in, it's hard to get out of the situation. But also, I would say try a different brush, try a different technique than you normally would. I'm going back and forth, but depending on your eyelid, you may want to try something different. Maybe you want to do like some circles to blend. I think her mattes are really nice. And you may be one of those people that just, you don't prefer this formula, you just don't get it, and you probably will never get it, and you probably won't keep purchasing anymore from the brand as far as eyeshadows go, and that's totally fine. I have her lipstick, I have her lip glosses, I have her highlighters. So I'm a fan, but not in the sense that I'm a collector and I need to have every palette. I definitely waited till she released a palette that I really thought I could get a lot of use out of, and I waited to get this one, the 5. So we have kind of our crease color in, and I think I'm going to go in with our red metallic shade. And what I'm going to do is wet my brush, and I'm going to go in with like a flatter brush, the Builder Pro from Sonia G, and I'm going to spray it with Max Fix Plus so we get the most impact with the shade. Of course you don't have to wet it, but I just really want this color to pop because it's so pretty.
So now this feels like I'm, painting, and I'm getting ultimate payoff. Because to me, like, this is a pretty rough color when applied dry, but when you wet it, that's when it really becomes red, and I love it. It's such a cool, special shade. I'm like, look at that! I mean, just look how fast that pigment applies on my eyes. Now I know it looks a little, like, intense and crazy right now. That's okay with me. We're in work in progress.
And then I'm going to use the same shade underneath my eyes. I'm going to use a rougher 03. Just a little tiny brush to use that red underneath. I'm literally just circling my eye with this color. Go back over our crease area to make it look more blended, back with that tan shade. So I'm going to blend my under eye more with the Sonia G Pencil Pro. Use the Sonia G Blender Pro. Again, more blending. Just kind of refining the shape. So those are just two shades from Mothership V. Okay. We're going to apply the highlighter shade in the inner corner. I'm also going to be spraying my brush for this shade. This is the Wayne Goss 20. Going into that highlighter shade right here. Just doing small strokes in the inner corner. And I'm going almost a quarter of the way in, just to bring some gold into the look. See how that transforms the shape? That's what we're going for. And some of you may not necessarily want like a really red shade near the inner corner of your eye, especially if your eyes are not like especially like white. Like mine are usually not super white bright. So I like to kind of tone down that redness near the inner corner. And I'm a big fan of highlighting my inner corner anyway to open up my eye. I think it's looking like to be getting into more of the shape that I'm going for. I think I'm gonna do a little more shaping of that matte color just to further correct kind of the shape I have going right here. But I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I'm gonna use the Wayne Goss 19. Alright, now for our glitter time. We're going to use a special shade right here, the white glitter. And I'm gonna try to go toward the middle inner. Do a little overlap. I'm gonna try applying with my finger. Just gonna try to brush some of that away. I just love the brown, like sunsetty gold and red, fiery look this gives you. Alright, I'm gonna apply some mascara. Alright, I have my Essence Lash Princess Mascara, the green and black tube. This look probably deserves a lash. But I'm not gonna go there. Alright, this is the final look on my eyes. Yeah, I do think like some big lashes would really kick this up a notch. I'm gonna apply some lipstick. This is the Tom Ford Casablanca. You could totally do a lip liner. Just kind of a deeper rosy color. Which for me, this works with so many different looks because it doesn't wash me out. Okay, this is like my go-to eye look with Mothership 5. Yeah, this is a really beautiful palette. If you're on the fence about 5, a lot of people have it. A lot of people love it. This is on my first and only Pat McGrath palette. They have 3 mattes, 1 highlighty shimmer, normal shimmer shade, 1 metallic, and then the rest are like have glitters in them. And these are like the toppers that are super glittery with no like color base underneath. This is fun. I can get a lot of looks out of these browns and the mattes. But a good majority of it has glitter, so it's kind of a special occasion, just kind of a party look for me. I try to use it when I can, but it's, for me, not every day. I can't wear glitter to work every day. It's just not appropriate for me in an office environment. I know I try to get much shimmer and shine in my look every day when possible because I think it just gives you a nice brightening effect to your eye and just looks lovely. But that is it for me. If you have any questions on how I applied things, let me know. This is definitely like a look for anyone. You could darken it up even more if you have like medium to dark skin. I applied most of these shades wet, except for the glitter topper and the brown tan crease shade. But you can certainly kind of, if you like the idea of this, but you want to mute it down a little bit, don't wet the products. You'll certainly be a bit dustier, but still really pretty. But I just love this look that I've repeated over and over and over again from this palette. You could definitely take this a different direction with, like, you know, maybe mute down the eyes, but you can apply, you know, some of that highlighting shade on your cheeks. It's truly versatile. I've put the red metallic shade on my lips. Like, you can really have fun with it. Be creative out there. Be your own artist. Yeah, alright. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, subscribe, click like, comment, click the notification bell. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're watching. And I hope that you'll engage with me in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.